How to fix Instagram Reels trial option not showing. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you why the Instagram trial Reels toggle isn't appearing, covering minimum eligibility requirements, account settings, and rollout limitations so creators can access and test trial Reels successfully. So this is basically a new update that the Instagram has introduced. So first thing that you can do is simply head over to your app store and you gotta make sure that Instagram application is updated. If it's not, you'll be able to see an update button. Simply click on it and update the application. And if you update the application and the issue is still there, then you can head over to settings and then head over to general. Over here, you gotta click on iPhone storage, and right here, you gotta search for Instagram and then simply click on offload application. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. And after that, simply click on reinstall application, and after that your Instagram application will be refreshed and you'll be able to see Reels trial option. And you also need to ensure that your Instagram account is on creator or business and the public account status has 1,000 followers. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram Reels trial option not showing. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.